Good morning, everybody. Guess what? It is time for new coupons to print. I print my coupons off swagbucks.com because I get a point for every single coupon that I print, and then when you redeem those coupons at certain locations at grocery stores and stuff, you guys will end up getting 25 points for every coupon that you used, which is awesome. They can take up to a couple weeks, but what I end up doing is I save up my points for Christmas to get free gift cards. I have enough points to get a $100 gift card. I've been saving up my points since I started using this website, so I'm pretty excited. Every 1,000 points is a $10 gift card. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. And if you guys are interested in Swagbucks, I do have a link below that you guys can click and you guys can get extra points when you join. I also have my points, which is pretty much the same thing. I've made a video too about that where you guys can print off coupons for that. So let's just dig in so I can share with you guys new coupons to print. Now some of these are here a lot, like they just had the new month start, which I never did a video. I totally forgot about it, but they do have a lot of the new coupons to print for the new month. But like I said, I'm only printing stuff that I think I'll use. I'm gonna print off this gum $1 off coupon because I know I've used that in the past. Here we have a $1 off simple wipes. I don't really need that. The General Mills $1 off of 2. I know I will use that, but I'm not gonna print it off yet until I find a good deal for it. Yoplait, a lot of these are all, you know, kind of the same. Cetaphil. Here we got Nestle Maggie. Don't know really what that is. Yeah, don't know what that is. So we got that going on for us. Yeah. Boost, $2 off coupon. That's a pretty decent coupon. We got Aleve, $2 off 40 count or more. 50 cents off the Kleenex. Here we got Neutrogena makeup for $2.50. Scott's tissues, or Scott's paper towels and toilet paper, 50 cents. I'm not printing those off because they're not the greatest coupons yet. Here we got Neutrogena mask. I'm not printing that stuff off because I barely ever buy Neutrogena coupons. Very rare. The makeup maybe, but everything else it's hard to say. But here we got more paper towels. We got the Cottonelle wipes, toilet paper. Now here we got a 75 cents off of Stay Free, $2 off CoverGirl, $1 off Aveeno, $2 off Neutrogena. Again, I'm not printing all this stuff off because I print off so much and I don't even use it. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. Here we got a Visine coupon. I know there is a deal and I bought it if it hasn't expired yet. Aleve, $2 off. Now here's a makeup, $4 off Neutrogena. Robitussin, we got $2 off Robitussin. So we got that going on with us. CoverGirl, $2 off. We got Kleenex, 50 cents off of 3. Carefree, 75 cents. Playtex, 75 cents. Robitussin, $3 off, or Dime Tap. That's a pretty good deal. $3 off Schick razors. Here we got a $7 off of 2 Schick razors. CoverGirl, $2 off. We got Advil, cold and flu. Neutrogena. Eucerin. Yeah. Here is $3 off the crispy fried vegetables for French's if you guys are interested in that. $1 off Suave. I've already printed that coupon off and I haven't seen any deals for that yet. Let's see what else they have. Here's a good coupon, $2 off the Kiwi coupon. Now sometimes there's a deal in Ibotta with that, which I'm not going to print off yet until I see an Ibotta deal, because I'm just trying to save on printing coupons that I don't need. And then these are coupons that showed up on the first, another Johnson & Johnson. I only printed it once. I never printed it again. We got the Listerine $2 off coupon, and then they have a $1 off onesie. I thought, why not just print that off? And then here they have a $1 off the Walgreens brand, which I'm not going to print off. So those are coupons to print. Those are what I'm printing off, and I hope to see you guys later. Bye-bye.